We made it, and you can stay in teepees as well as back there are some yurts. And we're staying in a safari tent. So we just got done at the campground, and they put our reservation in. We reserved it in February.
So we have our tours.
So we had our tours. We have a kayaking tour of Pictured Rocks. We've got a boat tour, and we have a canoe trip. And that's all scheduled in, but they never put us in a tent. And we were going to be on in a platform tent, so it had a floor and everything, a safari tent looking thing, and they didn't have any tents available. So they sent us to another campground that has a safari tent available that is on the water, and it faces Lake Superior. So it's an upgrade, and hopefully it's nice.
Yeah. Now we have 13 miles back the other way.
And now we're going back. Alright, this is the parking lot. You can park over there. You check in this little shed right here. And then behind that shed there's campground stuff. And this restaurant's part of the campground. It's a bar / restaurant. And if you get packages, we purchased a package. It came with kayaking, canoeing, and a boat tour. And it came with meals, free meals at this restaurant. And then all the way down this alleyway is where our campsite was. All the way down there is another campground right next to the lake. You can kind of see the lake up there. And outside this restaurant there's an outside eating area and bar. You gotta keep this steadier than last time. It's not gonna happen though.
Or the left.
You said red.
I said
to the red.
To the right.
Oh, I didn't hear you say that.
That's not how rock is.
This is weird.
It's good too.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. We go around.
Okay.
That's essentially the front part of this campground. They have, what are those called?
Dome?
It's like domes on the top of them. I don't.
Oh, look at that one.
Skylights.
Skylight.
They have skylights.
That path wasn't very friendly to do. Maybe a great adventure. There's back there. Look, we have a little light.
Yeah, at night they'll be lit up.
Yeah.
Oh, I did bring my stabilizer too. I should have put it on there.
Yeah.
I think I got it this time. Right here is our tent. It's pretty big. Fireplace, grill, and right there is the lake. This is what it looks like inside. You got a futon, some bunk beds, a coat rack, a trash can, table and chairs, and electricity. You got a fridge and an outlet and a light coming out of our tent. There are lights strung up through this walkway, so we're gonna walk this and record it at night.
Oh, these are the yurts.
Yeah. it is, the end of it. Is it cold? Yeah.
It looks way lighter than the little area.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors,